Okay, I still gotta like my.
Greenhouse and get the
Well, we having a family field trip. You're not recording all this, are you?
I'm not making that mistake twice. God damn.
So I'm getting some pavers. I'm gonna put pavers down here.
Cause we was gonna talk when we get over here. I'm just sitting here thinking, I'm just so happy we having a family field trip down to the garden. That's all. I'm just excited about that. Y'all just, I got the whole family
Robert, you smell the greenhouse yet?
coming to the garden.
Yeah, I did.
Are you lying to me? Just think, huh?
It smells like fertilizer because there's fertilizer in there.
Don't lock us in, Devin. There's no dogs out here. I'm saying we only do it for the dogs. There's no dogs out here.
This time you gonna cut it.
Practice.
Peanut
Makes perfect.
be pooping around the back.
Oh, bad.
Amari, you see the zinnias? Aren't they pretty? Are those flowers over there?
Oh, I gotta send you guys a picture. Did you top them yet?
No, I haven't topped them. I need to. It's a big bee over there.
You need to bring them in so I put some water in.
And the okra. I know. And I planted more sweet potatoes over here, Amari. Okay.
Pull that cantaloupe too.
I thought she was pulling. You want me to hold your cigarette? We gotta eat out of these.
Yep, later.
Oh.
Get the watermelon
Okay.
and cantaloupe. The first cantaloupe.
Whew.
Or you gonna take this one?
I want to get this big joker over here.
And see.
I'll be here to grab it.
Okay, so we got this big baby right here.
No. That's how the orange glow.
I know. But it's ready. So
That's the right one.
let me get on over here. We're gonna cut this puppy. Can you see? Oh well.
Yeah, gonna cut that neck.
Okay. There we go.
Give it to Brittany. All right, give it to Devin.
Oh Jesus.
I want to carry the baby. Yes.
That baby feel bigger than that other baby. Don't drop my damn watermelon.
You want to start the watermelon?
Yeah,
There's
it's
like
bugs
bugs
on.
all over that.
Okay. But we
They were just going to start
Touching
going
that
for
shit.
it.
but look, this is what Brittany wanna carry. Brittany wanna carry the cantaloupe.
Look, I was gonna carry it. It's
As long as
infested.
it's not in.
So we're gonna carry the
No,
cantaloupe
they're
because you see
starting, though.
the tendril closest to it has died back. So that's how you know that it's ready.
Are they on you?
No, they got one little hole right here.
Yeah,
Oh.
It's not deep, though.
He ain't going in there.
So that's what Brittany's carrying back.
No, you called it. We came for a perfect time.
Whew.
Hold it away from me so they don't start crawling on you.
They're all off.
Are you sure?
No.
Oh, well, hold
He
the
said
away
no.
from you.
I'm supposed to be sure.
We-
the last one over there.
We got one more we're gonna cut. Not today though. Cause I don't think we need that much watermelon in the house at one time.
Yeah, we do. I can make some smoothies.
Brittany, then we didn't cut all the water, we didn't cut the three big ones.
This one, Brittany?
No, I'm just joking. It's okay.
No, see this one is not ready yet.
Brittany,
Cause the tendril right here is still green.
you want this one?
So it's drying out. It's not ready. So once that turns brown, then we can go ahead on and cut that off. But we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna mess with that today. We're gonna leave that alone. Yes, Lord. Boy, that's a big old watermelon there.
Go weigh him. See what he's weight.
And I don't have my bucket. I could have got my little okra while I was out here.
Yeah, they in there. I put them in there.
Okay, I could have sworn I seen them over here.
Mm-hmm. I put them in there.
Okay, go get my bucket while I cut my okra, because, you know, I don't like okra. I do. I made okra stew, and it didn't taste bad. So, that's something. I'm going to give all this away. Where the,
I'm coming. I'm just an assistant.
well, thank you, assistant.
I don't get paid enough to be rushing around.
My
the way
lovely
y'all expect me to.
assistant.
You just threw some bugs on me earlier, too.
No, I didn't. It was your imagination. No, it's not.
Prove.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Hold hard proof that you and Dee be trying to kill me. You
Oh, Lord.
they were feeding me expired creamer. Didn't say nothing.
like they make it stronger.
They weren't. I was having tummy troubles.
As Greg
I thought.
West said,
And then at the bottom down there, there's a battery
Don't quote that
and
man.
a charger.
I could have sworn he said May West.
I didn't know what he said. I figured it out when he started saying the lyrics. Don't quote that man to me.
And so when you open the valve, it kicks on. And when you close it, it turns off. And so as long as it's sitting there, it's charging. The sun is charging the battery. So
And everywhere it's a flower,
Go out there in water and you hear it kick on.
that's where okra's going. Oh, bless you.
Thank you.
Can you
That's-
please not sneeze while the talent's talking?
You was just singing hush.
That's where okra's gonna grow, wherever the flower is.
Talking about
that's
the
the tower.
talent. You should do a voiceover anyway.
No, I'm not.
You need to do a voiceover. I've been cursing.
That's all right. That's
It's okay.
That's
what we have a
family.
microphone for.
we doing family stuff, right?
It's all right.
Okay.
There's this little box on YouTube when you upload a video that says this appropriate for children.
Yep.
You just say no.
Say no.
Cursing it. Guess
Oh
what?
Lord, I let this one go too far. I'm gonna let this one. I'm gonna do what I saw on TV, and I'm gonna bend this over, and I'm gonna let that one go to seed, cause that one's way too big to be cutting.
What do you mean it's too big?
Cause they say when they get past a certain size, they get woody, right? So that one is like extremely big.
You sure?
Yeah.
I would cut it just in case.
No, look at this.
I know. I see it. I see it from here. I would cut it.
Yeah,
just in
but look
case.
at that.
But what if it's not woody yet?
Something like that one go to seed.
That's the perfect size for Robert, though. He said he liked fried okra. You just dropped the onion.
If you drain it over there.
Oh, there's another one. That's the only thing about okra. You got to be consistent with your cutting.
So you stick your hand there, it's gonna take you up there like you already did.
Where your sleeves at?
In the house, remember?
That's how you got that first beat.
Remember, we was just supposed to be coming to get a watermelon.
Almost playing it. See, Robert, what I tell you.
We can't
You
even.
coming out here for
We
one
can't even
thing.
get a watermelon now. We done got a watermelon and cantaloupe, okra. What you want?
It's like going to the grocery store. You going for
It
one
is. It's like going to the grocery store out here, but I wasn't planning on going shopping.
Yeah, you gotta go in the type of Robert.
Okay, I need to cut this.
Yes.
Go ahead. Some more scissors in there.
Oh. Clip. Oh, that bug flew in your face, huh?
That hornet hit me.
Did you get stung?
No. You know better.
Yeah, I got stung the other day
Almost
on my
like an
hand.
anaphylactic shock.
I did not go into no daggone
I
shop.
said almost.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a couple over there. What you mean we gonna cut that watermelon? Switch. Come on, Brittany.
I'm coming.
Cause there's some more okra over here.
You want this cucumber?
You get a cucumber in there?
Right there.
What color is it?
Green.
Yep. You can pick it.
Yeah, it carries a little baby.
Reminder not to have kids.
Oh, there's a bug on it. Oh,
I'm almost finished, y'all. It's only like 3 more I gotta cut over here, okay?
take your time.
Fathers, and I put this kid down and
No, don't put the kid down in a random spot.
he said forget it. Take the kid.
He's like, oop. JK.
Okay.
Got one little picture of a lady put like her baby on a 7-Eleven floor for like some Slurpees.
Walked off with the Slurpees.
She was like filling up the Slurpee cups and she's just on the ground.
Okay, we gonna get out of here now because I didn't put my sleeves on. I bought them sleeves and I didn't put the sleeves on. But we was only supposed to be coming to get a watermelon. And I had to agree, just like Brittany said, we always come out and say we're gonna get a watermelon. Or we come out, we're gonna do one thing. And 12 hours later, we still be out here looking. Oh, let me lock this up.
I'll have to send them to you. It looks so beautiful. It's like straight out of the movie.
What's wrong? Something touched you?
No, something's close.
Oh,
Oh, watch out for the possum.
I might as well get these little beans while I'm out here.
That was right. I'm saying,
You caught it?
no, by the time I came back out, it was gone. It was a rat because he started putting more stuff in there because he
This is country life.
Everybody say don't kill them. So I was gonna do.
You plant food,
I was gonna take them.
and then you come out here and you look for it,
I was gonna go on the highway.
and then you take it and you put it in the freezer so that you can have it later on. Oh shoot. That's okay. Sometimes you pull off the whole leaf. Just throw that back in there. Every day. Every day. Just come out here and be picking food. I'm talking mess, but it sure is nice grocery shopping in your own backyard.
Any money that's not going out the house is coming in.
That's right. That is absolutely correct. Okay. I think I'm gonna call it a day. But then I saw these over here. So that's just a couple of minutes worth of picking. And I'm sure there's more of them out here that I'm just missing right now, and I'll get them later. Life is too short. We ain't gonna get them all. Okay, let's head on into the house. He back here talking about the water. Oh Lord, they done left me over here. Now they talking about the barbecue. Like barbecue is important. Okay, Brittany, I thought you was my assistant.
I don't know if we need some more either or more.
I got distracted. We were thinking about getting a new Blackstone.
No, he said he didn't want it.
Yeah, that was last week. He was just talking about how he was gonna get it. We're gonna move the deck over and extend that, and we're gonna see if that banana leaf grows.
See how folks tell on other folks? Just to told the whole story. I wasn't even there. I know the whole story now. The entire story. But it's been a good day. A good harvest. A family field trip out to the garden to see what's going on. Got the watermelon, the cantaloupe, the string beans, some okra. Yes, Lordy.
Don't spray that in my face. That's how essential oils on it. Stop.
Oh, Lord.
Because it's a bug repellent.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fair.
Talking about witnesses. We already
See there.
Well, they just in
You
jail.
don't grab Devin shoes, bring them in no more.
I never took them off.
So when you gonna cut it tomorrow?
Oh, shit. You be careful. Yeah, we're just going to cut that watermelon tomorrow. I don't think we need to cut it today. What'd you say?
He said wait for another day.
Yeah, wait for it. We'll cut it tomorrow and see what it is. Because the pattern on it looks like the same. So we'll see. So if you look at the stripe pattern, it looks like it's the same.
Solid. These are solid.
Oh, yeah.
This is red.
Okay,
I know
then.
this is orange. I went there and looked at that. That there is red.
Okay.
Oh, I love you too.
My kids, they grown. And I just love that they love each other now. I'm on mic. I'm on mic. I just love that they grown and they enjoy each other time. Excuse me. But that's all. That's it. That's all. We're going to go ahead on and slice this other one up. No, I'm not giving Robert the camera that I said you could not have. He was just looking at it. Duh. Oh, shoot. She was looking my direction. Okay. I know. That's the sad part. Peace.